Hey cupcakes, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. So for this look, I tried to use all drugstore products, and I wanted to make it very nice and easy for first time makeup users, or like if you're new to makeup. I just wanted to do something very simple, very easy that you can achieve with products that are easy to find. So if you are interested in how I got this look, just keep on watching. Hey guys, alright, so we're gonna start off by using the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Drop Top Crop Top Concealer. This is in the shade Beige, and I'm just gonna use it to carve out my brows and also prime my eyelids. The doe foot to this is kind of weird. It's like an angled doe foot, so I'm just playing around trying to figure out how to use it. And after I'm done placing this all over my lid and carving out my eyebrows, I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out with a little synthetic brush. And for today's look, we're going to go ahead and use the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. This palette is really cute, spring/summer vibes. And we're just going to dive into sweet tea and throw this all over the crease very messily, not really too direct and placed in a specific spot. Just all over the crease, kind of blow it out and blend it out as well. And then we're going to go ahead and take the shade Coral Punch. And this shade I wanted to throw right above the crease, kind of give it like a pinky tone. But as you guys can see, it's really not doing much for my skin tone. Then we're going to go ahead and take this really shimmery shade. It's called Citrus. And we're going to use our finger to go ahead and place this all over the lid. I don't know about you guys, but using my nails to like get into the inner corner of my eyes is so hard. Like my claws are just way too long. I don't know how some of these people do it, like the ones who have a really long nails, but I give them props. And then I'm going to go ahead and go back in with that shade Sweet Tea, and I'm just going to blend out the edges because I kind of blended that shade Citrus a little too high up. So I'm just bringing in Sweet Tea to kind of deepen up the socket. And then we're just going to go ahead and clean up the face wherever there was a little bit of fallout. And then primers. Guys, I finally got a new primer. This is the Wet n Wild Water Drop Primer. This is the rose scented one. And as you can see, it's super liquidy. It just fell all over the place. It fell on my face, fell on the desk. Your girl was not going to put that primer to waste. So you best believe that I took it right off my desk and put it right back on my face. But this primer is really nice. It feels really hydrating. The only complaint that I will say is that it's better for people with big pores. I don't have extremely huge pores, so it wasn't like super wowing to me. It was just really hydrating. Then I'm going to take this Maybelline Master Camo color correcting concealer. You guys already know this is in the shade 50 Apricot, and I just go ahead and place this anywhere that I have really bad hyperpigmentation, cover up any dark spots, any imperfections. And yeah, we're gonna blend this out so that way it doesn't look too crazy, and as you can see, it blends out to a really nice even tone. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the Loreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation. This is in the shade 209. It is a really good match, as you all can see. I really do love the Pro Glow and the Pro Matte Foundation. What I will say is that Pro Glow alone for me is not a good look, and you guys will be able to tell. If you guys focus really close on my face, you guys will see that all of my peach fuzz and a lot of my hyperpigmentation still kind of peeks through just with Pro Glow. I typically mix Pro Glow with the Pro Matte to give me a much fuller coverage and a better like satin finish. I did want to go for like a nice like natural-ish, glowy-ish type of foundation look, but yeah, it backfired on me. So next, we're going to go ahead and go back in with the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer. And here I'm just showing you guys the doe foot because it's kind of weird to me, like I'm still trying to learn how to maneuver it. And we're gonna go ahead and draw our little triangles under the eyes. We're gonna go on the cupid's bow, up the nose, on the forehead, everywhere that I normally highlight. You guys know the drill, you know what I do. That's it, I'm gonna let you watch. Okay, and magically everything is gonna be all blended on my face. We're gonna go in with the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. This is in the shade Extra Translucent Coverage, and I just like to bake under my eyes so that way I don't get too much creasage. And this blush is an oldie but a goodie. This is the Wet n Wild Mellow Wine Blush. This is the older packaging. They do have the newer packaging. I don't think the newer one has like the little micro glitters in it, but this old one, even though it has micro glitters in the formula, it obviously does not show up on my face. And you guys, I don't know what has been my obsession, but I've been using blush as contour. Like, I don't know if that's a look or not, but I mean, at least, I don't know, I'll probably regret it in a year. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and also clean up under my blush contour so that way it doesn't look too bad. Alright, and this powder has sat on my face for quite some time now, so I'm just dusting it off. And you know, I'm dusting and dusting. Come on, Janelle, a little quicker now. Come on, people are losing focus. Let's go, girl. Come on, you can do it. You're almost there. Hurry up, girl. Dust the powder off. There we go. Alright, so next I'm using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. This is in the shade Espresso, and I just use this pencil to fill in any sparse areas that I have. As you guys can see, I do have pretty thick brows. Like I said, I just go into any sparse areas that I have and just kind of fill them in, make them look a tad bit fuller. For highlight, this is my absolute favorite drugstore highlight. This is the Wet n Wild highlight in the shade Boozy Brunch. Okay, in the pan you guys see like that pink in it, and it has like bronze in it, but it just gives you the most beautiful goldy, like just a really nice gold highlight. I love it. It looks very like icy but not like white. I don't know how to explain it. Alright, so next we're going back into eyes, and I'm just I'm using this really bright pink shade, and we're gonna go in and pop that under the eye. I wanted to add some pink, of course. This is a Valentine's Day look. You know, Valentine's Day is like all pink and red and all that cute stuff. So I wanted to give this look a little pop of, oh my gosh, I cannot speak today. Hello, oh my gosh. Okay, so I wanted to give this look a little pop of color because the eyes on top do look a little dull. So then I'm just gonna go ahead and pop this shade on the inner corner. And dang girl, we moving fast. Hold up. Okay, so we're going in with this Wet n Wild black eyeliner pencil. It's very inexpensive. I think it's only like $1 at Walgreens. So I had to get it and try it out, you know, and it works pretty good. It is a little harsh, but it works pretty good. Then for mascara, we're using the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara, and I'm just placing this on the top, and we're gonna go ahead and, you know, just casually mess up our eyeshadow. That's what we do out here. We mess up our eyeshadow after it gets to where we want it. Alright, anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and put mascara on the top lashes, and I'm gonna put it on the bottom lashes with the same one, and that is that. Alright, so it was about time that I went ahead and wiped off this foundation off of my crusty ass lips. Oh my god. Alright, so for liquid lipstick, we're going in with the Wet n Wild Catsuit liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Mocha, I think. I'm not too sure. I'll go ahead and leave details of everything, every single product that I use down in the description box below. So make sure to check that out in case like I messed anything up. But this is basically like my finished look. Oh, if you guys get a chance, go ahead and like, you know, look really close at my face since I'm so zoomed in. You could see on my peach fuzz from like my mustache and like my cheeks. Pro Glow does that to me, so if you have peach fuzz, just beware that it's not going to cover it. But yeah guys, this is basically my final look. Oh dang girl, you're looking cute. What a transformation. Yes, zoom out queen. Alright, but yeah, this is basically it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. It was nice and simple. This is a really easy look to attain. If you guys like these kind of like drugstore videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys for sure on my next one. Bye guys.